So, hello guys. May nakita akong laro sa Steam. Tawag niya is Fishing Planet, the ultimate fishing simulator. Siguro hindi pa naman ako nakakapamingwit like sa totoong buhay. Dito ko na lang siguro gagawin. And so yeah. Let's start. Okay, so customize naman na tayo ng character natin. Ito ako na I like this. Ito totoo kong kulay. Sa totoong buhay, ito yung kulay ng aking balat. Or siguro ito. Yeah. And ang kulay na mata ko is brown. Hair. Caps. Like blue jeans. Oh! May mga tao pala, may ibang tao na din pala dito. Okay. Okay, balik tayo dito. So, cast, reel, in, space, aim, pull, right. Left mouse button, Then, tighten, drag, number pad plus, loose drag, number pad minus, increase reeling speed.
A few minutes later.
So, let's go. Yeah, look at this. Okay, so, there we go. Then, wait for the fish to bite. I'm waiting. Oh. Wow. Hey, I got a bluegill. Kikip kita. Okay. Let's try another one. There we go. Oh, what's that? Oh, wait. Yeah. Come here. Come on. No. Oh, there we go. Woo! What did I get? Golden Shiner. Yay. Ang hirap. Ang hirap niya. Like, ang hirap. Local map and change the fish spot. Press escape. Okay. Local map. Okay. Go fishing. Oh, ano ito? Okay. Okay, so good. Hold Z and move. Hold Z and move. There we go. Okay. Arrow point here. Okay, so dito. Okay. Hold shift. Decrease the line leader to 19. Hold O. Okay, 19. Zoom on the float. Zoom in on the float by Z. Okay. So, yun. Okay. Need ko ba i-zoom? Or... Wait, the fish is tasting. Okay. Okay. Okay, come here. Okay. Okay, wait. Come here! Come here! Oh, pwede ko pala i-hold na lang pala. Come here! Let's go, boy! Ooh! Trophy white crappy! Or crap high. Let's go! Okay, level 2! New items. Oh, okay. Oh! Okay. Get profit for fish from your keep net. Open the local map. Okay. Don't waste. Okay. Oh, so leave. Tuna usually stays on the surface layer of the water and rarely go deeper than 300 feet. Okay. Let's get fishing. Siguro pwede na naman dito mag-fish. Right? Yeah, pwede na dito mag-fish. Okay. Wala masyadong bait. Wait, naulan? Ano? Naulan yan. Wait, paano kayo nila ginagawa yung um oh, kasama ako dito. Come on. Got one. Come here. Nice. Why? Okay. Sabi mo eh. Good take. Try natin dito. Let's go. Okay. So, wait lang natin. So, ito pala yung I mean, yung nagalaw na yung pala mag-indicate na may isda na dun sa ilalim. Okay. Okay, wait. Wait. Come here! I got one! Yes! What did I get? White crab pea. Akin yan. Give me that. Ano kaya nila ginagawa? Meron kaya din dito yung ginagawa? Like... Oh, oh, nataob yung line. Oh, no, nataob yung line. Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come here. Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Ay, wait. 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 Fish. Come here, fish. Come to Papa. Hop! No. Oh, ang hirap. Ang hirap mamingwit. Isa pa. Ulit natin. Here. Here, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Come here. Oh, fishy. Come on, fish. Oh! Got a strike! Oh, come on. May pamamamingwit. Oh, there's the Philippines. What? Wala man ng palaisdahan sa Pilipinas. Dami-dami. Grabe naman, game. Halos lahat nasa US. US nga ba to? Hindi ko alam. Basta. Yun na lang muna. Sana naman nag-enjoy kayo. So, yun na lang. And see ya!